Welcome to our roundup of the best 3D printer options. Whether you're a hobbyist, a designer, or diving into the world of professional prototyping, we've handpicked the top 3D printers that deliver exceptional print quality, reliability, and advanced features. We'll break down each printer's key specs, like build volume, print resolution, filament compatibility, connectivity, and ease of use, to help you find the perfect machine for your needs. Don't forget to check the description box below for the best deals. Let's jump in and find the ultimate 3D printer for you. The first on the list is the ELEGOO Saturn 4 Ultra. The Saturn 4 Ultra redefines desktop resin printing with a precision-engineered design that blends industrial-grade performance with user-friendly innovation. Designed for hobbyists and professionals alike, this machine delivers incredibly fine details and lifelike textures thanks to its ultra-high resolution and precise micrometer-level XY accuracy. The 10-inch 16K mono LCD allows for a large build volume, perfect for creating complex models or multiple prints at once. What truly stands out is the COB Plus Fresnel collimating lens system, which ensures ultra-low distortion, excellent uniformity, and crystal-clear precision. Packed with smart features, the Saturn 4 Ultra comes with AI camera monitoring, real-time alerts for empty plates or warped prints. Its smart tank heating system maintains resin at a steady 30 degrees Celsius, significantly reducing print failures caused by temperature fluctuations. For effortless usability, the printer boasts automatic leveling, a plug-and-play setup, and self-check diagnostics. The new tilt-release technology speeds up printing to a blazing 150 millimeters per hour, ideal for high-volume workflows or time-sensitive projects. Added extras like resin shortage detection, LCD protection via tempered glass, and Wi-Fi cluster printing give this printer a truly modern advantage. Despite all its innovations, post-processing can be slightly messy, especially for beginners dealing with uncured resin residue and cleanup. Overall, the ELEGOO Saturn 4 Ultra is an excellent choice for anyone seeking professional-grade results with minimal hassle. Highly recommended for serious creators and makers looking to bring their most intricate designs to life. At number 2, we have the Creality K1 SE. The Creality K1 SE is a budget-friendly FDM 3D printer that packs impressive speed and reliability into a compact design, making high-quality printing more accessible than ever for makers and hobbyists alike. At the heart of its design is the lightweight Core XY system, capable of achieving incredibly fast speeds and high acceleration, making it 12 times faster than conventional 3D printers. Whether you're printing complex prototypes or artistic models, it maintains excellent quality throughout. The auto-leveling system ensures a hands-free setup. Simply tap and print, no manual calibration required. Equipped with a flagship-level direct drive extruder, the K1 SE handles a variety of filaments, including flexible TPU with ease. Its durable tri-metal nozzle, featuring a steel tip, copper body, and titanium alloy heat break, ensures high-performance extrusion and blocks heat creep effectively. The 60-watt ceramic hot end heats up from 0 to 300 degrees Celsius in just 75 seconds, allowing for fast and flawless prints with materials like ABS. The rigid die-cast aluminum frame, reinforced with corner gussets and crossbeams, delivers stability and reduces vibrations, while the input shaping algorithm minimizes ringing and surface imperfections. Overall, the Creality K1 SE redefines what users can expect from a budget 3D printer. With its premium specs, high-speed performance, open-source OS, and intuitive cloud integration, it's a powerful yet accessible choice. Highly recommended for anyone looking to step into or upgrade their 3D printing journey. At number 3, we have the Bambu Lab A1 Mini Combo. The A1 Mini Combo is a sleek and approachable 3D printer that welcomes new users into the world of 3D printing with confidence and ease. With a pre-assembled plug-and-play setup that takes just 20 minutes, it's designed for effortless use right out of the box. The printer offers impressive speed while still maintaining high precision and detail. Users benefit from full auto calibration, including Z-offset, bed leveling, resonance tuning, and nozzle pressure calibration, ensuring each print is accurate and consistent with no manual adjustments required. What makes the A1 Mini stand out is its AMS light system, enabling vibrant multicolor printing with smooth transitions and professional quality finishes. The printer also features active flow rate compensation, adjusting extrusion in real time for flawless surface quality, even at corners. Additional highlights include automatic belt tension monitoring, one-touch filament loading, a quick-swap nozzle, and an intuitive touchscreen UI that's as easy as using a smartphone. With active motor noise cancellation, it prints at a whisper-quiet 48 decibels, making it perfect for home use, even during quiet hours. While the A1 Mini Combo is packed with advanced features, one potential downside is that the AMS Lite module takes up significant space, which might be limiting for users with smaller work areas. However, this is a minor trade-off for such versatility. Overall, the Bambu Lab A1 Mini Combo is an excellent beginner-friendly 3D printer that delivers premium performance, ease of use, and reliable multicolor printing. It's highly recommended for newcomers seeking quality and innovation in one package. At number 4, we have the Anycubic Kobra S1 Combo. The Kobra S1 Combo, a reliable choice for makers who prioritize precision, offering consistently smooth and detailed prints that bring complex designs to life with professional quality results. Its Core XY construction and dual motor drive deliver exceptional stability, allowing for smoother and more accurate printing with minimal vibrations. Paired with the Kobra OS, it ensures optimized flow compensation and enhanced surface quality by controlling filament extrusion down to the finest detail. The built-in resonance compensation further refines print quality by detecting and adjusting for vibration frequencies. A 320 degrees Celsius full metal hot end, combined with an advanced ceramic composite throat tube, ensures reliable performance with a wide range of filaments, all kept in optimal condition by integrated 360 degrees filament drying. Precision shines with the automatic bed leveling and Z-axis offset calibration, ensuring perfect first layers every time. The printer's 600 mm per second max print speed and 20,000 mm per second squared acceleration make it up to 12 times faster than traditional FDM printers without compromising on quality. The Ace Pro system enables vibrant 4 or even 8 color prints with seamless color transitions and intelligent filament management, making manual painting unnecessary. This system also detects tangles and alerts users instantly, helping to avoid interruptions. Overall, the Anycubic Kobra S1 Combo is an excellent choice for users looking for high-precision, multicolor 3D printing with advanced speed and accuracy. With smart features, easy controls, and quiet operation, it's ideal for professionals and enthusiasts who demand refined results in every model. Coming up next, we have the Creality K2 Plus Combo. The Creality K2 Plus Combo, a smart multi-material 3D printer designed for versatility and ease, delivering seamless transitions and reliable results across a wide range of filament types. It offers a generous build area, ideal for large-scale models or batch production. Its standout feature is the Creality filament system, which supports up to 16 colors when paired with multiple units. This opens endless creative possibilities without the hassle of manual painting. The printer is constructed with a rigid die-cast aluminum alloy frame and boasts dual Z-axis with linear rods, ensuring stability and precision even during long prints. Performance-wise, the K2 Plus is built for speed and reliability. With an impressive maximum printing speed of 600 mm per second and acceleration of 30,000 mm per second squared, it drastically reduces production time. The next-gen direct drive extruder includes an automated filament cutter, runout sensor, and a high-flow hot end. This printer handles professional-grade materials like ASA and PPA with ease, thanks to its actively heated chamber and dual auxiliary fans. Additional smart features include dual AI cameras, 18 intelligent sensors, and Creality OS, allowing real-time monitoring, print optimization, and enhanced control via the latest Creality Print 5.0 software. One downside to consider is the long preheating time required for certain materials, especially when using the heated chamber. However, considering its exceptional feature set, build quality, and multicolor capabilities, the Creality K2 Plus remains a top-tier choice for advanced 3D printing. Overall, it's a smart investment for users seeking speed, scale, and professional-level precision in their multi-material prints. The last one on our list is the Prusa Core 1. The Prusa Core 1, a refined choice for makers who value uncompromising accuracy, delivering consistently sharp details and professional quality results. Assembled and factory tested, it's ready to use right out of the box with minimal setup. Its Core XY motion system, enclosed heated chamber, and next-generation extruder enable incredibly accurate, high-speed printing across a wide range of materials. With a sizable print area and an all-steel exoskeleton, it ensures unmatched rigidity and long-term durability. The upgraded 360 degrees cooling system supports sharp overhangs and clean details, making it perfect for printing models with complex geometries. Equipped with Prusa Slicer and Prusa Connect, users can slice, manage, and monitor prints effortlessly. Whether on a desktop or via the mobile Prusa app, this printer offers seamless remote operation. The included Prusa